Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have a mini unboxing. So I picked up some stuff by Crafts by 9, which is Myra here on YouTube, and I just wanted to unbox it with you guys and possibly like show you guys some other stuff. But let's get to it. I'm gonna start off with this one. By the way, this is super cute packaging, love it. And I'm just gonna open this one up real quick, which I love that she put fragile, please handle with care. I know it's a bag, but you never know. You do get a thank you card. It says thank you for your order. We can't wait to see what you create using our products. Don't forget to tag us on social media. And then she has her Instagram, her website, and her little logo that has her puppy. So I picked up her Bling box and it comes with a little sticker in the middle. So I do already own one of these and I have it right here. I put all my Kiara Sky ones and I believe these two are from Young Nails. And it's perfectly organized. I love it. This from Kiara. Is this one from Kiara Sky? This one's from Kiara Sky, and this one I got on Amazon. I love this box. It works fine. Obviously, it's already full, so yeah. And the way that I think I showed you guys how I organized this. I just like kind of stickered the names of the rhinestones in the back so I can know which one is which, and I just thought maybe I should get a new one. And as you can tell, I took off my sticker for mine. I just wanted it all clear, so I'll probably do the same with this one. I mean, it is a cute sticker, but I like it all clear, so yeah. And then I did also pick up, actually let me just start off with this because it's a lot. She started selling these things called harches, so like swatches but harches, and I picked up a bunch. And I love swatching my acrylics in bubble swatches, but I recently saw someone on TikTok swatch them with hearts that she picked up on Amazon, and I just thought that was nuts. I was like, yes. And these are huge. I thought they were gonna be smaller, but they're pretty big. Let me compare them to my bubble swatch sticks, you know, like the original ones. So this is kind of how the original ones in size. They are a little bit smaller, but you kind of get the point. I love them regardless. Obviously I bought a lot because I wanted to stock up, and she actually sold out. Was not my fault. I mean, there was a lot more left even after I bought these many. But yeah, you get, I believe, 48, so 24 in each swatch stick. Wow, this is gonna be hard to put in. Give me a sec. And yeah, so I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I bought 7 of these. Yeah, so probably like 3 in one and 4 in the other order that I placed. So I'm just going to put them to the side. Then I also picked up her Lint-Free Wipes. I have 2 here, and one of them is actually opened. I did not open this. Maybe I opened it when I opened the bag, so just be careful when opening the bag. But yeah, they're her lint-free wipes and they're pink, so, and they feel really nice. Yeah, I just can never go wrong. And these were at a great price as well. So I mean, comparing how much you get here to like the Kiara Sky ones, you get like 300 for, right now they have a sale. You get 300 for like $5, but then it's like you get way more here than what you do for the Kiara Sky ones. I wonder if I could see how many. There's 1,000 pieces here, and I think she was selling them at like $6 or $8. So this was a steal. I also picked up her rings. Came with a glitter, which is awesome. Oh, it came with a moon sticker. I love moons. It has another thank you card, but this is because of the other order that I placed. Look, a moon sticker. So cute. And then, yeah, I picked up 2 of the same rings, same size. I picked the size 7. I'm not a 6, but I don't think I'm an 8 either. But I know for sure I'm not a 7. But I was like, why not? I could try it. See, I got fat fingers, guys. And it barely fits my ring finger. But it's okay. I mean, I don't think I'm a size 8. I mean, I might be now that I'm wearing these, but it's fine. I still love it. Do you not see that sparkle? Don't mind my nails. I do have to do them. I don't know. For someone that has really dry nail beds, like, they grow out pretty fast, so I have to do them anyways, so whatever. If you guys see like black around my cuticle, like especially this one, it's because I use markers a lot, so yeah. Maybe I should have picked up a size 8. I mean, I'll probably buy again and this time get a size 8. And obviously, not obviously, but like honestly, I'm probably gonna get the same color. I love silver. I'm not a big fan of gold. But yeah, this is not bad. I mean, for like pictures or something, even though like you can clear it, so I'm like cutting my circulation, holy crap. But yeah, I would just probably keep it there. This is not too tight, but it's kind of cute, right? I could take pictures like that or something. Oh my god, my nails look so bad. I'm sorry guys, I always look, oops. Sorry. I always look crusty in these videos. Anyways, I think these are the same glitters. Let me close you guys up. So I believe these both are butterflies, pink butterflies. They're cute. Let me see if I can fill it all in one, because if they're the same, oops. Because if they're the same, why not, right? Ooh, I can. And now I can use this for something else. Ta-da! Cute, cute. I don't really like butterflies like that, but I know anybody, like literally everybody that do nails, they'll like it and they'll love it, especially because it's pink. I'm just not a big fan of butterflies in general, so I just normally don't put them on me. But this looks gorgeous. Not to say that this doesn't look gorgeous, it does, but I just don't put butterflies on me. So this is beautiful. Can you see that sparkle, that shine? That it just is, oh, so good. It's so pretty. This is definitely a spring set, and they're like little stardust. I don't know if that's what it's called, but yeah, that's cute. All right, and let's see this little unicorn that also came. That's so cute. Oh, I love getting stickers. I wonder where I'm gonna put these stickers. I mean, maybe I'll put them here. Oh, no, I like mine's clear, like how I have it. The other thing I wanted to mention, so for these hearts, I believe that's how she calls them, heart swatches, whatever you want to call them. They're steel. They're great. They're currently out of stock, so when I'm posting this video, I'm not sure if they'll be back in stock, but definitely check her website out. She has a lot of great stuff and at great prices in my opinion. And then these rings, I haven't seen anyone sell rings, and I think these look beautiful. Let me show you these again. They look gorgeous, and like I said, even for like photos, like they sparkle. But my nails look like crap, so I'm not promoting them all that well, so my bad. Maybe in my future videos. But anyways, I picked up some heart swatch thingies on Amazon. I put them in this container because they came in like a little mini Ziploc bag, but they didn't come in these, like in the palette itself. So let me, oh look, they came out. It's okay. These are already off of it anyways. So for comparison, these big ones are a lot bigger than the ones that I picked up on Amazon. These are the ones from Amazon, and then these are hers. I personally don't mind the size. I really don't care. They were at a great price, so I don't care. And these I picked up on Amazon before I actually saw that she posted hers. Just that these took a while to come in because they were coming in from China. So yeah, I'll be using both. Personally, I probably will not buy the Amazon ones again. I'll most likely buy Crafts by 9 because they're just better. So yeah. I also wanted to mention that this one that I picked up from Amazon, I haven't even bothered using it. It kind of broke again because I just dropped it literally before starting this video. I tried to fix it, but look how like crusty and dusty it looks. Like it's just not worth it. I mean, this was $6. I technically lost $6. I can use it just like this without a cover, but I find like that's pretty pointless. I mean, this does cover it, but it just looks so ugly that I don't even want to freaking use it, to be honest. So I don't really know what to do with it. So I probably just won't end up using this. It's smaller by a lot, so I guess it depends your range. This was honestly not expensive whatsoever, in my opinion, for the quality that you're getting. Not expensive at all, and great. Yeah, I really like it. So this is it. This is my mini haul. I picked up this, and then the rings. These came, I believe, as a like free gift, which is awesome because they're beautiful. So thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check her YouTube out. I will link it down in the description box. And definitely check out her website. Like I said, she has a lot of great pics, a lot of great things. So until next time, bye!